This is the Morning Gardener Show. Okay, folks, it is probably about 30 some odd degrees right now, and I just picked up my first addition to my my spring and summer garden. And this is the main ingredient I usually start off with, which is peat moss. And here, got it over here next to the Christmas trees that I just got. Oh, look at that! This little bag here, $11.98, and that's because they make it for you. I'm here at Home Depot if you haven't noticed, and all the Christmas trees are up. You can see what time of year it is because, boy, I tell you, it's cold out here. And there's everything's not set up for me right now. They got things in front of the bags. I had to move some of these items aside, but that's what you got to go through to get set up for the garden early. And you see the trees everywhere. Now, I went through all of their fertilizers. I just asked the gentleman who's been here. He's been working here for about 20 years. And he said there's no more fertilizer clearances in the store. So I'll take his word for it, but I'm still going to check for myself to make certain that that's the deal. Because if something back there he don't know about, then I'm the one that found it and got the deal on it. I came here yesterday. I bought a whole shelf full of some kind of fertilizer. And look at this, what we got here.